ADEN Assistant Divisional Engineer, of Open Line, AEN Assistant Engineer AEN, TM, Line Assistant Engineer, Track Machine, Line ALC Automatic Guiding Computer ALP Assistant Loco Pilot AMC Annual Maintenance Contract ASM Assistant Station Master at Auxiliary Track at Weld Alumino Thermit Weld AXEN Assistant Executive Engineer, of other than Open Line, BCM Ballast Cleaning Machine BML Bharat Heavy Earth Movers Limited BFR Bogie for Flat Rail Carrying BRM Ballast Regulation Machine BRN Air Brake Wagon CB Center Bogie CCD Charge Couple Device CCTV Closed Circuit Television CE, TM Chief Engineer, Track Machine CFL Compact Fluorescent Lamp CMS Computerized Measuring System CPC Contact Point Central CPF Contact Point Field CPOH Central Periodical Overhauling CS Correction Slip CSM Continuous Stamping Machine CST9 Central Standard Trial 9 Sleeper CT Curve Transition Junction CTR Complete Track Renewal CUG Mobile Closed User Group Mobile Cubic Meter CWR Continuous Welded Rail CWS Computerized Working System DEN Divisional Engineer, of Open Line, DGR Defect Generation Rate DGS and D Directorate of General Store and Depot DPR Data Processor Recording DPT Die Penetration Test 313 DRP Data Recording Processor DSL Diesel DTS Dynamic Track Stabilizer DY, CE, TM, Line Jug, SG Officer in charge of the track machines working in the divisions on a zonal railway DY, CE, TM Deputy Chief Engineer, Track Machine EOT Electric Overhead Traveling ERC Elastic Rail Clip ERH Engine Running or F Front Tower Facebook Weld Flash Butt Weld FCC Front Control Car Fob Foot Over Bridge FRM Shoulder Ballast Cleaning Machine GNSR General and Subsidiary Rules GDMS Grind Data Management System GMT Gross Million Ton GQI Grind Quality Index GRP Grooved Rubber Pad GRSP Grooved Rubber Sole Plate GUA Geometry Value Assessment Has Heat Affected Zone HMI Human Machine Interface Hours of Employment Regulation HP Horsepower HQ Headquarters, Head Office HRM High Rail Mild HRS, HS High Rail Sharp HSD High Speed Diesel IMR Immediate Removal IMRW Integrated Major Reference Works IOH Intermediate Overhauling IR Indian Railway IRPW Indian Railway Permanent Way IRPWM Indian Railway Permanent Way Manual IRTMTC Indian Railway Track Machine Training Center ISA Industry Standard Architecture IT Information Technology JFT Jig Fixture and Template 314 kmph kilometer per hour kVA kilowatt ampere LCL Zing level crossing LED light emitting diode LI loco inspector LM locomotive LP loco pilot LS loco staff LWR long welded rail M middle feeler rods M meter M C machine MCI malleable cast iron MCM master craftsman MDU mug disposal unit MF middle front MIG metal inert gas millimeter MMU mobile maintenance unit MPT multipurpose tamper NRC National Research Council of Canada NT new track sleeper OBS observation OBSW observation for weld ODC over dimension consignment OEM original equipment manufacturer OHE overhead equipments OT old track sleeper, PNC points and crossing PNC, ST points and crossing steel trough sleeper PNC PSC points and crossing pre-stressed concrete P. Way permanent way pack proprietary article certificate PCB printed circuit board PCCM points and crossing changing machine PME periodical medical examination PO periodical overhauling PQRS Placis quick relaying system PSC pre-stressed concrete 315 PSU Public Sector Undertaking P. Way Permanent Way R Rear Tower RBMV Rail Bond Maintenance Vehicle RCC Rear Control Car RCD Railway Consumer Depot RCF Rolling Contact Fatigue RDSO Research Design and Standards Organization RF Rear Front RG Rest Giver RGM Rail Grinding Machine Room Rear Middle Rob Road Over Bridge RPM Revolutions per Minute S&T Signal and Telecommunication SAG Senior Administrative Grade SBCM Shoulder Ballast Cleaning Machine SC Straight to Curve ST Satellite Depot or Standard Deviation STI Satellite Depot in charge say Super Elevation Sage Switch Expansion Joint SM Station Master Sort Schedule of Dimensions SOP Schedule of Power Senior then Senior Divisional Engineer Senior, then Senior Divisional Engineer, Coordination, SSE Senior Section Engineer SSE, DI, TM, Senior Section Engineer, Zonal Depot in Charge, Track Machines, SSE, J Senior Section Engineer, Junior Engineer SSE, JE, P. Way, Senior, Junior Section Engineer, Permanent Way, SSE, JE, TM, Senior, Junior Section Engineer, Track Machines, posted on Track Machine SSE JED, TM, Senior, Junior Section Engineer, Zonal Depot, Track Machines, SSE, J, P. Way Senior Section Engineer, Junior Engineer, Permanent Way SSE, J, ST, TM, Senior, Junior Section Engineer, Satellite Depot, Track Machines, SSE, J, TM, I, Senior Section Engineer, Junior Engineer, Track Machine, in Charge, SSE, J, TM, SDI, Senior Section Engineer, Junior Engineer, Track Machine, Satellite Depot, SSE, SDI, TM, Senior Section Engineer, Satellite Depot in Charge, Track Machines. 316. SSE, TM, D, Senior Section Engineer, Track Machine, Depot, SSE, TM, SDI, Senior Section Engineer, Track Machine, Satellite Depot in Charge, SSE, TM, D Senior Section Engineer, Track Machine, Depot in Charge ST Steel Trough or Straight to Transition Junction T-Ton, Ton TC Transition to Curve Junction TCTT Tungsten Carbide Tamping Tool Tex Tamping Express TLE Track Laying Equipment TM Ton Meter TMM Track Machine Maintainer TMO Track Machine Organization TMS Track Management System TP Telegraph Post TRR Through Rail Renewal TRT Track Relaying Train TS Transition to Straight TSR Through Sleeper Renewal TT Tamping Tool TXR Train Examiner UGC University Grants Commission UNIM 80 Points in Crossing Tamping Machine UP DN denote the nomenclature of lines on double, multiple line sections up, down track identification on double line section USA United States of America USFD ultrasonic flood detection UTS ultimate tensile strength UTV utility track vehicle WST work site Tampa XEN executive engineer XEN, AXEN executive engineer, assistant executive engineer XEN, AXEN, TM, D, executive engineer, assistant executive engineer, track machine, depot, XL cross level ZF gearbox manufactured by German company ZF ZMD zonal maintenance depots ZMDI zonal machine depot in charge ZRTI zonal railway training institute.